Finally, welcome to the Don Taft University Center, where you'll find the main hub of dining on campus. Let's take a walk through it. What do the students like? A survey was designed to assess the favorite places to eat for students in the dining hall. The results presented Greens for the most favored, followed by Starbucks and Food Bar tied for second. A study conducted by Brody School of Medicine confirmed 9% of weight gain is due to alcohol consumption. Yeah, it's okay to drink every once in a while, but binge drinking multiple times a week will lead you to serious weight gain. Avoid being so lazy all the time and limit the time spent sleeping to use for pumping iron or some cardio work in the gym. Here you have Chicken Grill, a hot and fresh Tex-Mex bar, which offers quesadillas, tacos, and burrito bowls. Next up is Pizza Loft, where you have a choice between cheese, pepperoni, or veggie pizza. Pizza versus salad. Obviously, the majority of students would choose a slice of pizza over salad, but focus on end health results and not taste. At Food Bar, you'll find your home-style favorites and chef-inspired cuisine with a menu change every meal for every day. For a blend of something tasty and somewhat healthy, try a smoothie or made-to-order salad or sandwich from Juice Blends. For a build-your-own sub-styled sandwich, hot or cold, visit Subway. Eat fresh. Find the freshest ingredients for the healthiest meal to offer at Greens with a build-your-own spinach salad and optional cup of soup. Starbucks, open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your convenience, offering your favorite coffee and espresso beverages as well as breakfast sandwiches and oatmeal to spark your day. Our survey results illustrate that 44 out of 56 Novus students struggled with lack of time in eating an adequate meal. Now I will provide you with a quick, cheap, and easy meal to make in your dorm room. All you need is Greek yogurt, granola, and your choice of fresh fruit.
Created using Powtoon.